Do you segregate your garbage in your household? How?
Can you describe types of waste generated in your households?
Are there any garbage collection scheduled in your community?
The last question is, how important is proper waste management? Thank you, ma'am. First question is, do you segregate your garbage in your household and how?
We segregate them by separating the decayed waste from our waste that are not decaying, our paper waste, plastic waste, and such.
The next question, ma'am, is, can you describe the types of waste generated in your household?
Probably there are only three types of waste that are generated in our household. Those are the decaying waste, our household waste, and our, what do you call this? The waste of our animals.
Third question, ma'am, is, are there any garbage collection scheduled in your community? If there is, when or how often?
We have garbage collection every Wednesday night every week.
Fourth question is, what problems do you encounter on managing your household waste?
The problems that we usually encounter is that when our decayed wastes are commonly mixed up with those wastes that are not decayed.
The last question is, how important is proper waste management to you and the community?
It is important first and foremost because of our safety and of course our health.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, sir. So this is the number one question. Do you segregate your garbage in your household? How?
Yeah, we segregate our garbage by separating our biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste.
So next question. Can you describe types of waste generated in your households?
Mostly plastic wraps, plastic bags, vegetable fruit peels, and plastic bottles.
For the third question, are there any garbage collection scheduled in your community or barangay? If there is, which and how often?
Garbage collections in our barangay is scheduled 5 p.m. on Wednesday to 5 a.m. on Thursdays.
Number 4, are there any problems with the garbage collection services in your area?
Sometimes, garbage collectors are late collecting our garbages.
And for the last question, have you implemented specific strategies to reduce the amount of waste your household generates?
Yes, I built a compost pit in my backyard for biodegradable waste.
Thank you, sir.
Yung unang tanong, sir, is how do you segregate your garbage in your household?
Siyempre, iniiwalay ko yung hindi nabubulok tapos nabubulok.
Next is, can you describe the types of waste generated in your household?
Katulad yung mga plastic bottles, pwede kong gawing mga pagtaniman ng mga halaman.
So, are there any garbage collection scheduled in your community?
Sa Tuesday, anang hapon. Yun.
So, next is, are there any problems with the garbage collection services in your area?
Kadalasan naman, wala naman po eh. Wala naman po, hindi po.
So, for the last question, have you implemented specific strategies to reduce the amount of waste of your household generates?
Specific, yung kunwari sa plastic bottles nga, yun nga. Tapos ginagawang pagtaniman ng mga halaman, minsan, tapos yung mga nabubulok, inaano ko sa mga pampataba sa halaman.
Do you segregate your garbage in your household? How?
Oo, may dalawa kaming basura doon sa loob ng bahay. May nabubulok, tsaka di nabubulok. Yan.
Can you describe the types of waste generated in your household?
Mga plastics, papel, ganun. Tsaka mga nabubulok na bagay. Like that.
Are there any garbage collection schedule in your community? If there is, when or how often?
Meron kada Martes ng gabi. Pinupunta namin doon sa tambakan ng basurahan. Yun kasi yung araw ng collection ng ng truck.
Tuesday. What problems do you encounter or on managing your household waste?
Wala naman kaming naging problema about sa basura.
How important is proper waste management to you and the community?
Siyempre, unang-una, para malinis yung kapaligiran, tsaka sa bahay, ganun. Tsaka iwas din sa sakit.
First question is, do you segregate your garbage in your household and how?
Yes po. Sinesegregate ko po yung waste sa pamamagitan po ng paghihiwalay ng mga nabubulok sa po mga recyclable waste.
And two is, can you describe the types of waste generated in your household?
Mostly po yung mga waste na nag-generate po is yung mga tira-tirang mga pagkain po. Most especially po yung galing po sa mga rice cookers, which madalas po akong magkaroon ng waste na gano'n.
And three is, are there any garbage collection schedule in your community? If there is when or how often?
Yes, meron po. Every Sunday po siya.
Four is, what problem do you encounter on managing your household waste?
Ang problem po is yung hindi ko masyadong nasusunod. Medyo nagkahalo-halo po lahat ng waste.
And five is, how important is purpose waste management to you and the community?
Ang importante po yung pagkakaroon ng proper waste management para rin po ma-enhance yung discipline natin and then para rin po magkaroon ng healthy environment.
Okay, thank you.